It's time to cook with Susan Beck, and I have two things with me today. One is a fresh pineapple. I love fresh pineapple. And the other one is something I was given for my birthday. I didn't know they made such a gadget. This is called a pineapple core. It has a sharp little blade here, as well as this round blade. So this will take the core out, and this will cut spirals through. Now this has a little push button on it. This handle doesn't come out super easy, but there we go. And it pops out because once we get that through the pineapple center, we need to be able to remove this metal part from the pineapple. And if this handle's in the way, it's just not possible. So let's pop that handle back on again. And you'll hear it click into place there with those little tabs popping back out. All right. One sign for me that a pineapple is ready is if I can twist the green top off easily. So now that the top is off, we're just going to cut the top of the pineapple and the bottom of the pineapple. And then we're ready to use our pineapple core, which also slices and removes this bumpy edge. So I want to center this spiky part over the core, and then I'm ready to start turning. Now as I turn, this is going to go down between the nice yellow parts of the pineapple and that bumpy outer layer. I'm moving my camera a little closer so you can see this better. So this is just going down in, right over the core. We're going to keep turning until it comes out the bottom. Not there yet. Okay, we're just about there. I know it's going down, but it's still not through the bottom. Oh, I can start to see it right there. I need a couple more turns just to be sure. Okay, we are through. Now we're going to pop off this handle because we have to get this removed. So I need to push this through and out the bottom. Now be careful because this is very sharp. Okay, I've got it through now. I'm going to pull it out. You'll see my core is down in there. Now voila! Almost like magic, I can pull that pineapple out of its outer coating. Now I usually just run a knife through and I'm ready to place that into a bowl. There's all my nice pineapple slices. Looks like this one needs a little trimming up. If you're interested in owning a pineapple corer and slicer, they're available on Amazon. I'll put a link below in the description. You can purchase these between $10 and $15. They are not very expensive and they do make it very easy to enjoy a fresh pineapple. Be sure to subscribe to Time to Cook with Susan Beck for other kitchen hacks, kitchen tools, and many, many great recipes.